Good morning and thank you for joining us. Cedar Rapids police have charged a man with 2 counts of first-degree murder after arresting him on suspicion of manslaughter and later releasing him. Police arrested 44-year-old Travis Lynn Standlee last night. He was previously arrested on September 9th on suspicion of involuntary manslaughter, but he was released the next day. Earlier this month, police found 2 bodies within a week. They believe Standlee is connected to both cases. The body of 56-year-old Raymond Ursino was discovered in a church parking lot on September 5th. And then on September 11th, police found the body of 41-year-old Sharon Mead on the Coe College campus. KCRG TV9's Dave Franzman is live at the Linn County Courthouse now. And Dave, what are police saying about these new charges against Standlee?
Brady, what they're saying is reflected in the court documents that were filed today, the criminal complaint, and it does add some information to what we had previously known about the 2 cases. Now, police had earlier said there was some sort of a fight between Standlee and Ursino. That was why they filed that original charge of involuntary manslaughter back on September 9th. Now, in an initial appearance today, the judge set a bond of $1 million for each murder count against Standlee. The public defender's office will represent him. Standlee is accused of killing Mead a day after he was released from the Linn County Jail. The document says investigators found the defendant's fingerprint on a can recovered at the scene. When questioned later, Standlee said he was lying with Mead on the bench and she fell off. However, a state medical examiner's office report concluded that both victims had died of strangulation and that the injuries were strikingly similar. Now, on September 10th, Linn County Attorney Jerry Vandersanden had said no charges were filed against Standlee in the first killing because, quote, there had been insufficient evidence submitted to our office for the basis of filing any criminal charges. Now, today, Vandersanden declined to answer any questions about the case and especially the second murder charge, writing that rules, quote, place strict limits on what our office can state in a public forum. Now, the court has set a preliminary hearing date for Standlee of October the 2nd, but typically those appearances are canceled. That's when the county attorney's office will file what's called trial information in the case. Live in Cedar Rapids, Dave Franzman, KCRG TV9 News.